A vessel is taken for private gain. A crew member is confined below deck. The thief declares his intention to seize still more property. Then a second vessel arrives under the direction of the town's recognized emergency authority, pursues the offender, frees the captive, and retakes the ship. That is not merely a rescue. In the language of the golden age of piracy, it is maritime enforcement. And the officers conducting it are PAW patrol. The golden age stretched broadly from the late 17th century into the early 18th. Its law was surprisingly practical. A flag, a hat, and a theatrical parrot did not make a pirate. Authority did. A private captain carrying a letter of marque could seize specified enemy shipping in wartime. Remove the commission, and remarkably similar conduct became robbery at sea. The difference between privateer and pirate was therefore less the canon than the paperwork. PAW patrol has precisely the kind of public authority piracy law required. Rider receives civic distress calls, selects specialized personnel, and commands operations without charging the victim. Chase is officially the police pup and is described as by the book. Zuma is the water rescue specialist, equipped with a hovercraft and assigned to marine incidents. A dog in a hat is not a jurisdiction. A dog in a hat repeatedly dispatched by the mayor, however, is an administrative pattern. When Mayor Goodway reports municipal property missing, the team mobilizes Sea Patrol, investigates on the water, closes an unsafe PA, and redirects passing boats. Those are not the acts of helpful bystanders. They are harbor control powers exercised through a clear civic chain of command. Then there is Sid Swashbuckle. Sid removes Adventure Bay's Ferris wheel, boards the Sea Patroller, locks Robo-Dog below deck, takes the bridge, and announces plans to acquire further property. The Piracy Act of 1698 covered piracy, felony, and robbery committed upon the sea or in a haven, river, or creek. Sid acts for private gain, against the owner's will, and uses control of one vessel to facilitate additional seizures. It is difficult to describe someone pirating the Sea Patroller as anything other than a pirate. Even the case name has completed most of the prosecution. PAW Patrol's response follows the enforcement sequence almost perfectly. The team searches for physical clues, establishes a safety perimeter, locates the stolen ship, pursues it, frees the confined crew member, retakes the bridge, and restores the vessel. Ryder's position is unambiguous: we're taking back our ship. That is not a request for assistance. It is repossession after maritime theft. No Admiralty court appears on the water, but courts did not chase ships. Interception and recovery came first, adjudication came afterwards. PAW Patrol performs the part requiring the boat. Puplantis shows this was not an isolated incident. Sid steals an ancient shell belonging to another community. Sea Patrol tracks his submarine by sonar, pursues him, rescues him when he is endangered, demands the property's return, and recovers it when he breaks his promise. Historically, Admiralty jurisdiction extended beyond piracy to prize, salvage, collisions, ships, and cargo. PAW Patrol combines these functions: police interdiction from chase, marine pursuit and rescue from Zuma, and recovery of disputed property under Ryder's command. Adventure Bay also preserves its own pirate record: Captain Blackfur's cave, map, ship, and treasure. The patrol raises the vessel and returns the treasure to the town according to Blackfur's written instruction. The same harbour that remembers an earlier piracy era maintains a specialized sea patrol with police authority, salvage capacity, and a habit of confronting maritime thieves. The surviving record does not supply a neat calendar date placing Ryder beside Blackbeard. But maritime jurisdiction has never depended on two officers appearing in the same portrait. It depends on authority, conduct, and the waters in which that authority is exercised. Public authority calls them. A police officer and water specialist deploy. Robbers are pursued, captives are freed, navigation is controlled, and vessels and cargo are restored to lawful possession. By the practical standards of the Golden Age, PAW Patrol did not merely rescue people near maritime crime. It patrolled the harbour, interdicted pirates, recovered prizes, and enforced the law at sea.